Hi, my name is Tim Ferriss, and I'm going to share my thoughts with you about the fear of regret. We've all felt it. That nagging feeling in the pit of your stomach. The one that whispers, what if? What if you had taken that chance? What if you had spoken up? What if you had just tried? This, my friends, is the fear of regret. And it's more common than you think. Picture yourself a few years from now. You're looking back on your life. Are you filled with joy and satisfaction? Or do you see a landscape full of missed chances? The fear of regret is deeply rooted in our wish to live a life without wishing we'd done things differently. We all have dreams. Big, bold dreams that make our hearts race. But often, fear holds us back. Fear of failure. Fear of the unknown. And yes, fear of regret. We worry that if we try and fail, the regret will be too much to bear. But here's the secret. The regret from not doing anything is much stronger than the regret from trying and failing. Ask yourselves this. What will you regret more, trying and failing or never trying at all? Fear, by itself, isn't a bad thing. It can be a strong push for us. The fear of regret can move us toward our goals. It pushes us to leave our comfort zones. Think about it. How many times have you not done something because you were scared? Now think about how many times you did something because you feared regret. The fear of what-ifs can be stronger than the fear of failing. Use the fear of regret as a tool to live a life true to yourself. So, how can we use this fear of regret to help us out? How do we turn this fear into rocket fuel to get us going? It starts by knowing you feel scared. Don't try to hide it or act like it's not there. Welcome it. Know it for what it is, a sign that tells you what you really care about. Then be very clear. What are you scared you'll wish you did? Write it down. Is it not trying for a certain job? Is it not seeing the world? Is it not telling someone your true feelings? The more clear you are, the more real the fear feels, and the easier it is to handle. Now ask yourself this. What is one little thing you can do today to start getting past that regret? It doesn't need to be a big, life-changing jump. It could be as easy as sending an email, making a phone call, or learning about a new skill. Remember, even tiny actions can create a ripple effect, moving you to a life with less "what if I had." Section 5. The courage to take the first step. Courage isn't about not feeling fear, it's doing things even if you're afraid. Getting over the fear of regret takes courage. It means stepping out of your comfort zone and trying new, unknown things. But here's the good news. Courage is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. This is where the Japanese idea called Kaizen comes in. Kaizen is the idea of always making small improvements. It's all about making tiny changes over time instead of trying to change everything at once. When we use this for getting over regret, Kaizen tells us to take small, easy steps towards our goals. Start by thinking about one part of your life where you feel stuck. What's one little thing you can do today to move forward a bit? Maybe it's reading just one page of a book, practicing something for 5 minutes, or talking to someone you look up to. The key is to make it so small, it's almost impossible to say no to doing it. Remember, even the tiniest step forward is still progress. Section 6. The art of turning mistakes into milestones. Nobody's perfect, we all make mistakes, we all have regrets. But the key is to learn from them. Instead of dwelling on past mistakes, see them as good ways to learn. Every mistake, every regret is a chance to grow. Ask yourselves, what can I learn from this situation? How can I use this experience to make better choices in the future? The more you can see your mistakes as chances to grow, the less power they'll have over you. Remember, regret doesn't have to be a bad feeling. It can be a powerful push for change. It can be a reminder to live a life that's true to ourselves, a life full of purpose and meaning. Section 7. Living a life you won't regret. Living a life with no regrets isn't about never making mistakes or always making perfect choices. It's about living with intention. It's about making choices that match what you believe in and what you want to achieve. Ask yourselves, what's really important to me? What kind of legacy do I want to leave behind? Once you know what's important to you and what you want to do, you can start making choices that help you get there. Living with intention means being present in every moment. It means enjoying the good times and learning from the challenges. It means going after what you love and being around people who cheer you on and inspire you. Remember, life is short. Don't let fear stop you from living it to the fullest. Face your fears, learn from your mistakes, and live each day with intention. That's the key to living a life you won't regret. En esta parte, vamos a ver lo importante que es ponerse metas claras y cómo estas nos pueden ayudar a tener éxito. Ponerse metas te da un rumbo y un propósito en la vida, te ayuda a enfocarte en lo que de verdad importa y a no distraerte. Recuerda, una meta sin un plan es solo un deseo, así que tómate tu tiempo para planear tus pasos y empieza a actuar para alcanzar tus sueños. Cuando te pones metas claras, creas como un mapa para tu futuro. Este mapa no solo te guía, sino que también te da ánimos para no desviarte del camino. Es como tener una brújula personal que te mantiene derechito hacia tu norte. Mientras más claras sean tus metas, más fácil es ver cómo vas avanzando y festejar tus logros. Pero ponerse metas es solo el comienzo. Necesitas dividirlas en pasitos más pequeños que puedas hacer. Cada pasito que das te acerca más a tu gran sueño. No le tengas miedo al camino que tienes enfrente. Aviéntate con confianza y muchas ganas. Así que, agarra una pluma y un papel, o abre la aplicación que más te guste para tomar notas. Escribe tus metas, haz un plan y empieza a dar esos pasos. Hoy mismo, tu yo del futuro te lo va a agradecer por todo el esfuerzo y las ganas que le eches ahora. Acuérdate, un viaje de 1000 kilómetros empieza con un solo paso. Haz que ese paso cuente. Por último, vamos a platicar sobre lo importante que es creer en ti. Creer en ti es el primer pasito para conseguir lo que quieras. Cuando confías en lo que sabes hacer, te avientas más a probar cosas nuevas y a tomar las buenas oportunidades. Júntate con gente buena onda y no le hagas caso a lo malo. Confía en todo lo bueno que puedes llegar a hacer y échale muchas ganas para que tus sueños se hagan realidad. El cambio es lo único constante en la vida, pero muchas veces nos resistimos a él. Pero, ¿qué tal si te dijéramos que aceptar el cambio podría ser la llave para descubrir todo tu potencial? Saber adaptarse no es solo para sobrevivir, es para salir adelante y triunfar. La capacidad de ajustarte, de evolucionar y crecer cuando todo cambia es lo que hace diferente a la gente exitosa. Acepta el cambio, adáptate y a triunfar. Tuyo del futuro te lo va a agradecer.